right now. You're the one. Turn me out of my mind. You don't need no other body. You don't need no other body.
How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody like you do. I can't lose.
Hi y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Y'all know the vibe. It's your girl Gloria, and I'm back again with another video. Don't mind my multicolors, okay? I'm home and I'm about to bath actually, but then before I do, today's video is gonna be a vlog. Guess what? My friend is actually coming to Antwerp and I'm so happy to meet her. It hasn't been a long time since I see her. I don't know the last time I saw her though, but I feel like I miss her. I don't know, she's coming to Antwerp, but I'm super excited to meet her. Oh yeah, I'm about to bath, but then there's something that I have to share with you. I know it's been a long time since I posted. I know I'm wearing multicolors. Literally, this is my dad's t-shirt. I'm daddy's girl. There is a package that just came in and I'm eager to, you know, open with y'all because it's nothing important actually. It's nothing serious, but I just want to open with y'all. Yeah, why not? I like opening stuff with you all because you are my family. Like, all of you are my family. Everyone on my channel is my family now, so why not? First of all, let's just start with the main event, the reason why I'm here today actually, because I lost my AirPods I think last month here, and my brother got me a new one. That's so sweet of him. He got me a new one. That's the reason why I order all this stuff actually, because I can't just, you know, order an AirPod case, just one item. No, cannot be possible. So this is the main reason why I order everything actually. It's super cute and it will fit it. The way I'm seeing it, it will fit perfect. Let me show you how it looks. Oh, I have this small chain. Yeah. And this is the AirPod case. I have KG, that means Show Me Gloria actually on it. And oh my god, inside looks so cool. I love it, guys. It's so cute. Let me focus on the details. Y'all see the details? Yeah, okay, there we go. I love it and it looks very cute and small. That's the reason why I do this order. And I got a phone case. I'm so sorry, but I'm just a girl. This is how the phone case looks like. Oh my god, it's so cute. It will look so good on my phone. Literally, this is just like something inside actually, but I'm gonna keep it because it'll make the phone look cute. See, isn't that cute? You see the details? I mean, I love it. Oh my god, it is very cute. And apart from that, I still got like keychain or whatever, bag chain. I don't know how y'all call it, but I think you can hang it on your bag or your keys. This trended thing, I've been seeing it on the internet and I was like, do you know something, let me get it. Isn't it cute? It's cute. I'm gonna hang this on my bag. I wasn't expecting it to be that big, but it looks so big in real life and I'm like, okay, like guys, this is how it looks, you know. I mean, it's gonna look perfect on my bag. Like if I add it with my key, it's gonna be, you know, look big, but I'll add it, I'll literally add this on my bag. And also I got it in black. Hold on, let me open it up. Oh no, this is so cute. Look at the detail. I think I'm gonna use this as my keychain. What do y'all think? Oh my god, it's so cute and it's in black. I love it. This is so cute, guys. Okay, you know, just check the details of it. Isn't that cute? Once you know that girl. Oh, I have a lot of colors on. God. Anyways, we're gonna leave that for another day. Last one I got is these small ones, and these also small ones I got actually. I don't know if I should put it beside my bag or I don't know, but I will see what I can do with this one too. It looks nice there. I don't know. Where should I think? Okay, this is how it looks. So cute. I love it too. And I also got this from Shein because I want to put this stuff on it. It's not the original one. This is from Shein. Hello. If you know, you don't know the real one or the fake one though. But this one doesn't look bad. Look at the details. Everything. It resembles the real one, like literally. Yeah. See the strap too. I mean, I think I will hang. Is it the red one? Red one? No, red one is not gonna fit this. Or should I use the black one? What do y'all think? What do y'all think? Or should I use the gold one? I don't know. Let me know what y'all think. But I will figure it out and try, you know, something new. So that's actually all the stuff that I got. So for now, I'm gonna bath, get dressed, and I'll catch up with you all later in my next clip. See ya. Hi y'all, so I'm currently done dressing up and I'm about to go meet my friend. I'm super excited. But guys, I got my hair retwist actually with my natural hair, and I don't like how it's looking. I have this hair band on, yeah, and I have these two in front. I don't know if I should show you guys the back. I don't know if y'all can see it's good, but I still don't know if I like it, so I'm gonna wear like a hat. But before, let me show you the full fit. Okay. Yeah, and the back has this. Every bitch that is very weak that I've seen in my entire life, they be doing blah 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 blah. Yeah. Don't talk loud, okay? I'm gonna wear the hat. Yeah. I like it this way. In the morning, I got some few items from Shein. I've already shown you all, but then I got like keychain and batch and whatever, and I put this one here. I've changed a lot of stuff actually, and this is how it looks now on my bag. Isn't that cute? It's like gold and black, you get me? And also I have my AirPod inside, and it's looking so cute inside. Like literally, I can even hang it right here. I can literally hang it here on my bag if I want. And also I add this thing on my keys to make it look, you know, nice. So yeah, I'm gonna leave my camera home for today. So the rest of the clip that you're gonna be seeing after this will be from my phone actually, because the weather is not that good today, so I'm just not gonna carry my camera along with me. And finally, I'm gonna meet my friend, and she's also coming with a good friend of her, like literally their sisters, I think. Yeah, and I'm so happy to meet her. So today's plan, you know, to meet them. We are planning to go to the mall together, like the shopping center, to see. And our last station is to go to Sinsofo. Hopefully, we don't run out of time. Yeah, and I'll catch up with you all in my next clip on my phone. We are going with this, with my hoodie. Currently, I'm patiently waiting for them. Oh yeah, big sack. Okay, and you're going to do window shop, exactly. Yeah, window shopping. Because we don't have exactly clocking.
I'm not a player, I just fuck a lot. From a thug nigga. I'm not a player, I just fuck a lot. I'm still not a player, but you still a hater. Elevator to the top high. See you later, I'm gone. Penthouse suite, penthouse race, in-house beach, fresh house seats, 10,000 east, right down these. For the option to buy, cop of the 5 of things when I'm not. Roll for the sky, roll for the lie. With my twins, he go up in the Benzito with my Kiko from Queens. The king, he go. We go back like PAs, wearing PJs. Not a piece of PJs, running trains for 3 days. Who wanna ride it on course? You $1 with a score for harder, a fortune still on a dollar. I'm out there, I rip my freak through your hooters, I'm sick. They couldn't measure my dick with 6 shooters. Hold up, shoot up. I'm all about getting new, but I knock that bull. If you out to get cool, I'm not a player, I just fuck a lot. Uptown, uptown. I'm not a player, I just fuck a lot.
Bestemmende 1692 Jahre erfahren.
That's the best, I won't settle for less. I want to get a romance with unforgettable sex. To lay your head in my chest, I feel my heartbeat. Break apart the G, I'm off deep, but just hard to leave. It's hard to creep since I found you. Everybody round, low, wanna go down low. Put this boogie down, roll for you know. I'ma let you know what's up with the clothes. Get your clothes, get you got to go. Got to go downstairs, little round heads everywhere. I don't care, round here they call me Big Buzz. If you with the big guns, big time, don't make the chase come. Up in the hot tub, pop a bomb, a little rub in the spotlight. Not to skip the punch, but it don't stop. Watch the bug get wicked when I stick it, you know be like, don't stop, can't get it. Hot tub, pop a bomb, a little rub in the spotlight. Not to skip the punch, but it don't stop. Watch the bug get wicked when I stick it, even look be like, don't stop, can't get it. Press, highly intelligent, bachelorette. That's the best, I won't settle for less. I wanna get a romance with unforgettable sex. To lay your head in my chest, I feel my heartbeat. Break apart the G, I'm off deep, but just hard to leave. It's hard to creep since I found you. Everybody round, low, wanna go down low. Put this boogie down, roll for you know. I'ma let you know what's up with the clothes. Get your clothes, get you got to go. Got to go downstairs, little round heads everywhere. I don't care, round here they call me Big Buzz. If you with the big guns, big time, don't make the chase come. Up in the hot tub, pop a bomb, a little rub in the spotlight. Not to skip the punch, but it don't stop. Watch the bug get wicked when I stick it, you know be like, don't stop, can't get it. Hot tub, pop a bomb, a little rub in the spotlight. Not to skip the punch, but it don't stop. Watch the bug get wicked when I stick it, even look be like, don't stop, can't get it. I'm not a player, I just fuck a lot. I'm not a player, I just fuck a lot. I'm still not a player, but you still a hater. Elevator to the top high. See you later, I'm gone. Penthouse suite, penthouse race, in-house beach, fresh house seats, 10,000 east, right down these. For the option to buy, cop of the 5 of things when I'm not. Roll for the sky, roll for the lie. With my twins, he go up in the Benzito with my Kiko from Queens. The king, he go. We go back like PAs, wearing PJs. Not a piece of PJs, running trains for 3 days. Who wanna ride it on course? You $1 with a score for harder, a fortune still on a dollar. I'm out there, I rip my freak through your hooters, I'm sick. They couldn't measure my dick with 6 shooters. Hold up, shoot up. I'm all about getting new, but I knock that bull. If you out to get cool.
Lazy ass bitch. That's it, sir.
Uptown, uptown. I'm not a player, I just fuck a lot.
Guys, this is actually my favorite. Like, it's so Kyle. Okay, wait. Yeah. I know I'm gonna die first. Claire?
Ja.
Oké.
Jij? Klaar?
Ja.
Nu ik. Nee. Deze. Ja, oké.
Ik ga zo ze doen.
Ik begin eerst.
Ja, jij moet doen. Safe?
Ja, dat
ben
is
ik safe.
Even zeker. Je bent dood.
Waarom kijk jullie hebben allemaal gekozen? Waarom kijk jullie alleen naar ik?
Maar je bent dood. Je hebt mijn snoepje gekozen. Het is al klaar.
Je zat te kijken naar me, maar je moet kijken.
Ja, daarom je moet kijken naar...
Jij kijkt me zo maar. Oké. En ze deed dat ook. Jullie twee. Oké, nu moet je. Ja. Safe.
Hij is tevreden dat je daar ook bent.
Ja, ik zit er in. Als jij die van mij pakt, dan ben je weg.
Safe of niet?
Safe. Safe.
Oh, dat is fucking zuur.
Jij kiest zo zwaar. Safe. Jij mag ook zeggen dat dat safe is. Safe.
Safe.
Dood.
Is dat dood?
Since I found you, everybody found
I can't